Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana. I am the HGIC here at Divine Goddess Soaps. Today I have an unboxing for you. I got my second subscription box from Soapfistication and I wanted to open that on camera for y'all. I have no idea what is in here. She keeps everything a surprise until you open the box, so let's see together. Okay, and she always packages everything so beautifully. It's just like opening a little present. A little thank you card. Oh, that says what's in there. I always forget. And then a mold care card. Now, assuming from the tissue paper, I'm guessing this is going to be fall themed items. Which makes sense because that season is upon us. Thank goodness. Okay, so this looks like it's a fragrance oil sample again. Tonka and tobacco. And this is from the Blue Pelican. Let's see what this smells like. Oh yeah, very fall. It smells very good. I'm not even going to try and describe that because I am terrible with describing fragrances. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, we got leaves. Love. I want to do shower steamers with these little molds. I have quite a few from her. So cute. Now this is the mega box, I believe is what she called it. And then I chose the hybrid option. There's also a 3-piece option. Oh my goodness. It's a little scarecrow. That is so cute. Ooh, I'm going to have fun with that. Yes. Little lattes with a pumpkin on it. Cute. Love. I have a fragrance oil that would be perfect for those. It's a squirrel with a nut. I love it. A little squirrel with an acorn. Oh, that's going to be fun. She always does such cute things. Like, her characters are so adorable. And some acorns. Ooh, I like that filament. That's pretty. It's like shifting. Can y'all see that? It shifts from like pink to gold. That is awesome. So cool. But yeah, acorns. Got a little sidetracked by the filament there. And then an owl and a pumpkin. How cute. Oh, so much fun. And then we got little stickers, which are great to send on packages. And then it looks like a little scraper again. Yep. Oh, and she put this squirrel with the acorn on it. Cute. You can never have too many of these. So cute. So just to show you, these are the two that we got. So this was the May, which was nautical themed, and then the autumn, which is fall themed. All right, y'all. Well, as always, take some time to pamper your inner goddess today. If you haven't, please go ahead and pamper that like button. Show it a little love and subscribe if you're enjoying what you're seeing here. If you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.